You are watching little English stars. You are watching little English stars.
You should eat fruits every day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. He should do his homework on time. She should help her mother at home. They should share their toys with friends. I should say thank you when someone helps me. You should drink plenty of water. We should go to bed early. He should listen to his teacher. She should be kind to everyone. I should wash my hands before eating. They should not fight with each other. You should clean your room every day. We should respect our elders. He should study hard for his exams. She should eat her vegetables. I should tell the truth always. They should wear a cap in the sun. You should say sorry when you make a mistake. We should take care of animals. He should pack his school bag. She should share her lunch with friends. I should keep my desk clean. They should walk carefully on the road. You should wear clean clothes. We should play fair in games. He should not talk loudly in class. She should read books every day. I should help my little brother. They should recycle paper and plastic. You should listen to your parents. We should plant more trees. He should not waste food. She should thank her teacher. I should save my pocket money. They should be honest and kind. You should do exercise daily. We should love our family. He should take his medicine on time. She should keep her promises. I should carry an umbrella when it rains. They should keep the park clean. You should not litter on the road. We should turn off lights when not needed. He should wait for his turn. She should listen before speaking. I should be polite to others. They should learn new things every day. You should smile more often. We should always try our best.